The first theme for 2026 is the digital backbone, which is semiconductors and electronics. It is important to understand that this is no longer a futuristic concept. It is the most significant structural shift in the Indian economy. Now, geopolitical problems can cause a one-time crash in the near term, but the long-term structure is still intact. This happened with the Dotcom bubble as well. The stocks did fall by 80 to 90% once, but then over the next 2 decades, we all know how Infi, TCS, Microsoft and Google have done. Several major stocks like Keynes, Tata and CG Power have already moved from construction to actual production. India is shifting from an assembler to an OEM maker. My first pick here would be Keynes Technologies. While others are building massive fabs, Keynes is focused on the more immediate and high-margin opportunity of OSAT, which is outsourced semiconductor assembly and testing. To learn more about the semiconductor stocks in India, watch this video. Their specialized semiconductor facility in Telangana is now operational. By focusing on assembly and testing first, they have managed to avoid the multi-billion-dollar risk of a full-scale foundry while still capturing a critical part of the supply chain. They've already established a client base in high reliability sectors like defense, aerospace and medical electronics. These clients prefer a one-stop shop where the chip is packaged and then integrated into the final circuit board by the same company. It is a capital-efficient semiconductor play. Simply put, they are growing earnings today rather than waiting 5 years for a massive plant to break even like an Anantaraj would. The second is CG Power from the same sector. Under the management of the Murugappa Group, CG Power has transformed from an industrial equipment maker to a serious semiconductor contender through its joint venture with Renesas Electronics from Japan and Stars Microelectronics from Thailand. Their OSAT facility in Gujarat is a strategic bet. By partnering with Renesas, one of the world's leading microcontroller manufacturers, they've guaranteed access to one of the greatest hurdles in this industry, high-end technology and a global customer funnel. The Murugappa Group has a reputation for financial discipline. Unlike aggressive startups, they have deep pockets and the industrial experience needed to manage the high-precision environment required for semiconductor manufacturing. Basically, it offers the best of both worlds, a stable, cash-generating industrial business that is funding a high-growth moonshot, which is semiconductors. The second theme is the energy storage supercycle, also called BESS or battery energy storage systems. India's focus has moved beyond just generating solar and wind power to storing it. The intermittent nature of renewable energy is the biggest problem for India, and battery energy storage systems are the solution. Using BESS, solar or wind projects can provide round-the-clock renewable energy power. So the bull run that happened with solar stocks from 2022 to 2025 should now happen with BESS stocks. My top pick here is Bundada Engineering, which is a micro-cap company that very few are talking about. Bundada has successfully pivoted from being a telecom tower specialist to a dominant player in the BESS EPC, which is engineering, procurement and construction. In late 2025 and early 2026, Bundada secured several large-scale BESS projects from state power utilities like Mahagenco. They specialize in the integration phase, which is setting up the physical infrastructure, thermal management and power conversion systems that house the batteries. They offer a turnkey solution, so for a utility provider, Bundada handles everything from site preparation to grid synchronization. This end-to-end capability has allowed Bundada to capture a significant share of the sub-gigawatt scale BESS market.